In the previous tutorial we looked at how you could get numbers in from the user using the input command. What we're going to do in this short tutorial is show you how you can get two numbers in, add those numbers together and then output the total. So, just as before, if we wish to get a value in from the user, ideally we want to store it in a variable, so we need to create a variable. So I'm going to create a variable that this time is something called a. I'm going to use a to get in the first number that the user is going to type in for me. So I'm going to simply ask them to enter a number. And then I'm going to create another variable called b and ask them to input another number. Once I've done this, I can display the total in two different ways. I could simply do this, say print whatever is in variable a plus whatever is in variable b. Now remember, because a and b are storing numbers, the plus sign here in the print function adds them together. It doesn't join them together, it does not concatenate them, it adds them together as you would mathematically. So now if I run this program, it should ask me for a number. So let's say we enter the number 10. It should then ask me for another number, let's say 5, and then hopefully it's going to print 10 plus 5, which should be 15. So that's one way you can do it. You can do the calculation as part of the print function. Another way in which you could do it is you could do the calculation before you did the print. So we could simply say here that total equals a plus b. And then in the print command we would simply need to print total. Hit the play button. It'll ask us for the first number, so let's put 10 in again. The second number, 5. And we get the same output, 15. We've just solved the problem in a slightly different way. If of course you wanted to multiply the numbers together, then all you would need to do is change the plus sign here to the asterisk, the multiply symbol, hit the play button, and this time we'll do 10, 5 again, and this time it's multiply them together to give us 50. If we wanted to divide them, we'd simply use the slash symbol here, run the program again, 10, 5, and we get 2 this time. I'm sure you can work out for yourselves how you would do subtraction. And that concludes this tutorial.